Hey guys, it's Drew here. Today I'm going to talk to you about why your dishwasher might not be working. It's a simple fix, and I've actually made the mistake of replacing one of the dishwashers at one of my rental houses, not realizing it was something so simple. We'd already bought the new dishwasher, so we just put it in. It's raining pretty hard out here today. A little bit of thunder there too on a July afternoon. It's nice and humid out, so we got our afternoon thunderstorms. So I figured I'd make a video for you guys. Why not? I'm avoiding cleaning up my house. I really need to clean, but I just don't feel like it, so I figured to make a video. Okay, so this is a really common problem with a lot of dishwashers, and you're going to hear that thunder in the background, probably for the duration of the video. So if your dishwasher is not cleaning out, or if there's a big puddle in there after your whole cycle's run through, there's obviously a problem with drainage. Your dishwasher may not be broken. So there's a couple other videos on YouTube about this. You pull this whole thing out. I'm not going to get into that, but there could be something clogging this up. And some people run a solution of baking soda and vinegar through there and try to get to drain. Well, in the case of my rental house where it wasn't draining, we had a tenant who was a really good tenant. They broke their dish disposal. Their whatever incinerator, whatever it's called, they broke it, and they replaced it without letting us know. So it was really nice of them to replace it and not ask us to come repair it, things like that. They didn't quite put it in right. So what I'm going to show you, a lot of you don't know this. You ever wonder how you can leave dirty plates in your dishwasher and just have chunks of food on there, and how it all washes down the drain? Well, that stuff from the dishwasher actually drains into your dish disposal, or into your incinerator. Now, if you don't have one, and you've got a dishwasher, you're probably going to get pipes clogged every now and then. So this one was put in kind of difficult. In the back there, this wire right here, it's not a wire, it's a drain. That's where the stuff, that one's actually a little bit dirty, a little cloggy looking. So if I have a clog on that, that's what it is. This is where all the junk from your dishwasher comes in. Okay, so there's a plug back there. So when you install a dish disposal or incinerator, whatever they're called, waste disposal in your sink, there's a plug you have to poke out to put your dishwasher into, so the dishwasher will drain out. Because some people don't have dishwashers, which is rare. But if you get a disposal, you're gonna want, if you don't have a dishwasher, you don't need that drain that's in the back, okay? So what happened was the person who installed the incinerator, the disposal, did not pop the plug with a screwdriver. That's all you do is take a screwdriver and poke it through. It's a little plastic thing, okay? When they didn't do that, the dishwasher stopped draining. So, they did call us up and say, hey, our dishwasher's not working, neglecting to tell us, they tried to fix it themselves, neglecting to tell us that they had put in a new disposal. So it's a common fix. If you've put in your own disposal and your dishwasher stops working, it's obviously that you forgot to punch the plug on the disposal in the back there, so that water from the dishwasher can drain out. Just thought I'd do a video on this because I bought a whole new dishwasher, not realizing it was something that simple. Of course, it took a little detective work to figure out that the tenant had put in a new incinerator, new disposal here. That's what I call it, incinerator. Anyway, but hopefully this helps you guys. If your dishwasher's having problems draining, if you've had a new disposal put in recently, it's possible that drain plug has not been poked through. And you know what it's going to do? It's just going to send the water right back into the dishwasher and leave a nice puddle in there. So first step in finding out why your dishwasher is not draining, check your drain line to your disposal, because there's a good chance that either the hole wasn't poked out or it's clogged. So you can actually pull that hose out. There's just a little clamp on it. This one, whoever installed this one, put it in the back. I'm not too fond of that because it's a little harder to get to. I usually like them on the side there. So anyway, just a heads up, yeah, if you're having problems with your dishwasher, check that drain line. And like I said, you can also pull all this stuff out here, and there's a little, that's where the drain is. Clean that out, and if you see a lot of calcium deposits, things like that, try some baking soda and vinegar and let it sit in there for a little while, and then run a cycle on the dishwasher and see if it'll go through. So it's all about cleaning out your dishwasher, but I cannot believe, I feel so stupid, that we just didn't unplug this and we put in a new dishwasher for nothing. All we had to do was put a plug in there. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope this helps. If your dishwasher's not running and it's not draining, just check your drain line and make sure that that drain line's connected to your disposal properly, and that the plastic factory hole is punched out of your disposal. Without that, it won't drain. Okay, guys. Well, if this video helped you out, hopefully it did. I know it's going to be only a few of you, but give it a thumbs up and comment, and subscribe to my channel. I got lots of awesome stuff about this. And I hope your dishwasher is working and going. But, you know, a couple other things when you're troubleshooting your dishwasher, you want to make sure if there's not water coming out, then it's probably something with the water line running in there. And something else, well, I might as well show you while we're doing this. If a lot of people don't know this, but under this little panel here, that's where everything's connected. That's where your electrical is connected, your water. It's in the front. I always thought it was in the back. All that stuff is in the front. You just undo those screws, and it's all connected in the front. So that's another place to go if you troubleshoot. Make sure your electrical is disconnected if you go in there, because there is electrical underneath that panel there. And all right, guys, well, have a good one, and I hope you get your dishwasher running. Thanks.